Why are there not more people talking about Sashiko? This Japanese stitching art is both ancient and oh so modern. Sashiko, meaning little stabs, originated in Japan centuries ago. Initially, it was a practical technique to mend and reinforce clothes. But over time, it evolved into an art form that blends functionality with intricate beauty. Imagine creating mesmerizing geometric patterns with just a needle and thread. Sashiko isn't just about decoration, it tells stories of patience, precision, and cultural heritage. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crafter, Sashiko is perfect for adding a unique touch to your projects. From quilting and embroidery to modern fashion, the possibilities are endless. Getting started is simple. All you need is some fabric, contrasting thread, and a needle. The key is to keep your stitches even and consistent. Sashiko stitches are typically small and uniform, forming beautiful, repetitive patterns. Think of it as a rhythmic dance between fabric and thread. Not only does Sashiko enhance the aesthetic of your projects, but it also provides a calming, meditative experience. It's a way to slow down in our fast-paced world and reconnect with the joy of creating something by hand. So why not give Sashiko a try? Dive into this timeless Japanese art form and let your creativity flow. Happy stitching!